I was given this book of absolutely hilarious jokes for Christmas by a very good friend of mine. However, after she bought it, she ran into a couple of rather vexing issues. The cover was covered in these ghastly sticker labels. As you can see, she managed to remove the one at the top here, but it left a rather hideous tacky residue behind, which put her right off attempting to remove the other, much larger one down at the bottom here. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to rectify this heinous issue using one very simple household chemical. Stick around. Right then, for this project we're only going to need a couple of things. We've got our little paperback book here. We're going to need some kitchen towel and some lighter fuel, the liquid sort, and that's very important. Now, this is a solvent. It's a solvent that will actually evaporate, and that's why we're using it. Because this is a paperback book, I don't want to ruin it. If I was to use something like white spirit or something along those lines, it would actually damage the paper and actually leave a horrible residue. This won't. So a little bit of gentle cleaning with this and that, and we should be able to remove this horrible residue that's up here, and with a bit of luck we will be able to gently peel this away. So let's get on with it. Right, let's start with the sticky residue here. My friend's already tried to get rid of the sticker, and as I said, it's left this horrible residue behind, and it does look like she has tried to rub it off, but she obviously didn't have any of this, so I'm just going to put a decent amount on. Whoops, let's actually open it up properly. As you can see, this looks quite scary, but don't worry, never fear. Just do circular motions and slowly take this stuff off. And that seems to be working quite nicely. And as you can see, it's also not really affecting the book cover at all. It will evaporate. Give it a few moments. See, don't know if you can see that, but look at that. That residue has gone. I can do a little bit of polishing, I suppose. Yeah, but what happens is the lighter fuel will actually evaporate, so you could put it on any page inside here, and after a few minutes it will completely evaporate and you wouldn't even know that this thing had been coated in liquid. But anyway, we've done that bit, so that's already made it look much nicer. There are a few scuff marks and damages, but I don't know whether this is from my friend trying to clean it or not, but it's not sticky anymore, so that's good. On to the big one down here. Right, same thing as before. I'm going to put this liquid on here. I'm going to let that sort of soak through. You can see it's already having an effect because we can see the text coming through underneath. Just want to let this soak in. I'm going to work it in with my fingers. Don't worry, this stuff, well, dangerous, so if you're a smoker, don't smoke whilst doing this, but it will be working through the surface. I hope it will be. I mean, this is a bit of a glossy sticker here, but it does seem to be soaking through, so let's have a go at peeling this back. There we are. Very gentle. Look at that. It's peeling right off. Ta-da! And what I'm going to do is just go over it. There you go. Look, off. Completely gone. So that I'm very pleased about. There you go. Look, it's completely off. Not a single bit of residue on there whatsoever. This book is as good as new. I mean, the book is new, but it looks a lot better than it was. So this is basically how the publishers intended this book to be. Anyway, I hope this has been useful to you. It's a quick little tip, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Oh, go on then, you've twisted my arm into it. Let's give you some of these really hilarious jokes. The dictionary I bought today was just a book of blank pages. I have no words to describe how upset I am. Hilarious! Do you know Murphy's Law? It says that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But have you heard of Cole's Law? It's thinly sliced cabbage. Go on then, one last one. How do you stop a dog from barking in the morning? Take away its alarm clock. Jesus Christ.